Hi, do you or your kids grind your teeth? Here show you some exercise. Please use your thumb, massage from here all the way to here. So 1, 2, 3, do 100 times before you go to bed. So second, acupress this area in front of your ear. Do this 36 times and then do other sides too. And then massage this area, this is jaw area. 1, 2, 3, 36, and do other side too. Teeth grinding may be related to zinc deficiency, stress, gut issues, or parasite, so please double check with your family doctor. Or you could use 1 or 2 pieces of the dried tangerine peel, make into tea, and drink it before you go to bed. Hi, do you have parasite issues? So first, acupress this area, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see, each area like this, do 36, 36, 36, 36. Please do other hand too. And then please tap in this area. So this is your knee, inside of your knee, and the 4 fingers above. So this area, so tapping 1, 2, 3, do 36, and then do other leg too. So these acupuncture points are commonly used by TCM practitioners to treat parasite issues. Following foods are very good for parasite detox, like all the berries, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, garlic, ginger, carrots, mushroom, onion.